Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5s, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top, swipe down. You can do that once more and this will extend the list right here, and we're looking for Do Not Disturb. For me it's right over here. That's a short version, so DND. Once you find it, you can hold it first time around, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize a couple of the options that are associated with it. So just go to these options right here, select who can call you, who can kind of disregard your options for who can call you, assuming they call twice within a 15-minute period. When device is locked, schedule, so you can set up a schedule for it, and just a toggle, which is the same thing as right here. So once you set it up, you can either turn it on from the settings right here, or like I mentioned, you can do it from the notifications at any time. And you don't have to hold it every time, just press on it to turn it off, and then press on it once more to turn it on and then off. Now, one more thing, once you're done using your Do Not Disturb mode, I do recommend trying to remember that it's enabled, just so you can turn it off. Otherwise, it will be running indefinitely in your background, your phone, and basically applying the settings, for instance, for people who can call you all the time. So you might be missing some calls because of it. And obviously, if you don't need it, there is no reason for it to be running in the background. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.